Is your Windows computer feeling slow, cluttered, or running out of space? Don't panic. You don't need to be a tech wizard to fix it. In this video, I'll show you 9 simple steps that anyone can follow to free up space and keep your PC running smooth. Let's jump in. Press the Windows key, type cleanmgr, and press Enter. Select your main drive, click Clean Up System Files, tick everything you don't need, and hit OK. Done. Junk files gone. Go to Settings, System Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Then configure it to delete temporary files and empty the recycle bin automatically. Windows will now clean itself in the background. Right-click your recycle bin and choose Empty Recycle Bin. Confirm, and you'll instantly free up space. Many people find gigabytes hiding here. Go back to Settings, Storage, Temporary Files. Select everything except downloads if you need them, and click Remove Files. Another quick cleanup done. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and uninstall programs you don't use. Less clutter equals more space and faster performance. Still in Settings, go to Apps, Startup. Here you can disable apps you don't need starting up with Windows. This speeds up boot time instantly. Open Settings, Privacy, Background Apps. Turn off apps you don't use. This reduces memory usage and gives your PC more breathing room. Search for Defragment and Optimize drives. Select your hard drive and click Optimize. For SSDs, it will trim instead of defrag, which helps keep storage healthy. Finally, head to Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users. If you see accounts you no longer use, remove them. This deletes their files and frees up valuable storage. And there you have it. 9 simple, safe steps to clean up your Windows PC, boost performance, and reclaim storage space. No coding, no risky tools, just built-in Windows features you can use today. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to SmartBiz Tech, and share it with a friend whose PC could use a tune-up. Check out our playlist below for more tech tips that actually work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.